Hey guys, welcome to Vlogmas Day 4? I think it's day 4. I can't remember. Why is this ghetto sticker on my shirt? Yo, I didn't know that was there, I promise. But yeah, I'm doing some errands and stuff today. Um, I heading to the bank now, waiting this long line for when they open. Because if you weren't early, you could be in the line all day. I'm just very unfortunate. And I can't have that. So nobody is here yet. Waiting in the lines. We're gonna be the first person in the line because I have to get a new bank card. My dumb self didn't realize that my card had expired. So what friend doing about that? So yeah, that's what I have to go and do. Um, I'm just gonna be waiting until they open. I have like 40 minutes or so to wait. I mean, 40 minutes now versus spending 3-4 hours at the bank is worth it to me. I'm feeling much better from yesterday. The little cold that I had, it going away, I want to say partially. So yeah, um, I got some medication and I got some like orange juice and some tablets. Lord, this lace steady come up my head. But yeah, that's what's going on today. And yeah, hopefully they can give me my card today, which is, I doubt. I got to come back. But at least I'll get that out the way. And then from here I have to go to another bank, I have to go to BTC, I have to go to Island Luck. So I figured I'll just bring you guys along with me. Oh, I have to take the sticker off. Oh no, this is doing something. This I gotta take them off. I look like this done a Nike shirt. Like what the hell? Oh yeah, outfit of the day. 7 this Nike shirt, some Fashion Over jeans, and my Thoroughbred slippers, and that's about it. So anyway, I'll check back in with y'all when that whole thing over. So bye. So I finished with the first bank run. Got my card. Now I have to call them to activate it, which is so dumb. Why can't y'all just activate it right here in the bank one time so I could walk on here and my card working? That don't make no sense. CIBC, do something about that. And now I'm heading to Scotia. Hopefully there's no line here and this could go smoothly. Jesus, look at all these people. Glad I don't have to go there. Yeah, I'll check in with y'all after Scotiabank. They usually move fast, so I have high hopes. So I just got out of Scotiabank and they said that basically there's nothing wrong with my card. It's working and the transactions what I was trying to do on the BTC website and other stuff ain't even coming up, but like my card has been charged, so that means it's working because my Apple stuff was charged to the card. So I don't know, I put it in the ATM, it worked. It didn't work in the ATM the other day. So yeah, I don't know. That's all I can say is I don't know. No problem. So I came to pick up a PR package from Ferragamo. I think these really are. No, they ain't. And this on a Stacey Adams post. No, they ain't. But I came to pick up a PR package from this girl that I'll be working with soon. I don't want to tell y'all too much yet. But yeah, I came to her job. So while she's getting it, I'm just browsing around. All my years of driving past the store, I never came inside, you know. This lace up to come off my head. My God, looks so bad. Looks so bad, y'all. Oh my God, these are shirts with the music teachers as well. With the lines. Go in any government high school, I bet you can see a music teacher wearing one of them shirts. This one, what's that? It's a 48 jacket. This belt's cute though. This buckle looks cute. And $50, that ain't bad. That ain't bad at all.
Yeah, I can bring it back.
These cufflinks?
No, the pair of flowers.
Oh, I just want to say. Yeah, so I got the products from her. It's just some lip products. And now I have to go to one more place and then I can head home. Oh, and I also been to work. Look at my paycheck. Can't let that sleep too long. That was there from Saturday. So yeah, I'll do a little unboxing, I guess. I might not. I don't know. I'll think about it, but I got it. Came from BTC in the mall, the big BTC behind me. I was able to get the chip back. I had to pay $30, and now I have to wait 2 days for it to be active before I can use it, and you have to top it up. So yeah, that's the dilemma with that. I think that's crazy. Like, why have to wait 2 days? I understand the top up bad, but 2 days. But anyway, glad I got that out the way. I am tired spending my money now. My boyfriend needs to reimburse me because this ain't it. I'm like that. So now I'm gonna go to Island Lock right quick because I had some customers that deposited some money for their appointments. So I'm gonna pick that up. And I think that's me for the day, y'all. When I go home, no, I'm not spending no more money. When I go home, I need to get me I should buy me one Bath and Body Works spray. You can't come in the mall and don't buy a Bath and Body Works spray, at least one. No shit, you just want to spend money. Well, but I should because I should see if my card's swiping. They did tell me I need to try my Scotia card and see if it's gonna swipe. That's just me looking for excuses to spend money, eh? But yeah, this is what I deal with now. Up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. At least I'll have something to watch today. These people looking at me like, why this girl talking on her phone? Like I crazy. But at least y'all have something to watch. And it wouldn't just be boring, empty clips. So, yeah. Those are really cute. I'm in luck now. I don't think that door you could go through. So I have to go outside just to go back inside. That's dumb. And people standing up with just so look like they lying long. Good day. Yeah, the line is hopefully I'm moving fast. I don't know they're tired boys. Like, not discriminating, but I just didn't know. All people ahead of me. Hi. Let me take what's that, please. There was nobody behind the Bath and Body Works counter. I think that's God telling me. Don't spend no money and just come with this food. I need a color because I have this wig that I want to revamp. And I don't know, like, I think I have to make that color. Because everywhere I go, I don't find it in a bottle. I want it like orangey, but I want that like auburn, red orange. I don't know. Sound crazy, but that's what I want. Y'all come take your pictures with Santa. But yeah, I need to do that. I'm tired. I feel like I've been on the move all day. It's exhausting. Everybody looking at me like I'm crazy. Imagine if I had my camera. They'd have been like, what this girl doing? Thank God I just talking to my phone, so they might think I on a video call or something. I'm glad to see that moisturizer I put on working. Now I don't see the car. Oh, I see it. What a day, what a day, what a day. What a morning, I should say. Because it's only even 12 o'clock here. It's still morning. One thing with these Tory Burch jelly slippers, they fucking uncomfortable, babe. I said people, it don't make no sense buying the real ones. Spend all your money on these damn uncomfortable shoes. You might still buy the $40 jellies on Facebook. Stay uncomfortable. There you are. I'll check it when I get back home or something. My phone died. Okay guys, so I'm back home. I literally just walked in the door. As you can see, I still stand in the door. I have to call the bank to set up the card thing. So I'm gonna do that. And probably take this wig off because it looks terrible. And yeah, my thumbnail. Yeah, that's what I gotta do. Oh my god. Anyway, that's because I wet it. Anyway, I tired. See you later. I just had to show y'all this. Like, so I put my egg on to boil, right? To go with my Haitian spaghetti that I made the other day. And then I went on the phone and I called the bank like I told you what I was gonna do. And they had me on the phone so freaking long. I didn't forget but the damn egg. Then just now I was like, why do I smell like smoke or something? Come to the kitchen. Look at my freaking egg, y'all. Oh my god, I am so dumb. Oh my goodness. Y'all. Wow. Look at my damn egg.
I woke up like this. I woke up like this. Ladies,